So now that we've developed this mathematical description of motion, it's time to do some problems. And so here is just a list of potential ways that you can understand kinematics problems. So the first thing to remember is that we're always referring back to time. Time is the key. It's the independent variable in any kinematics problem. And since we've drawn a bunch of these motion graphs, it's always the horizontal axis. It's the independent variable. So now when we go to solve problems, you can always refer everything back to the time at which it happens. You have equations that relate position, velocity, acceleration, and time, but time is the key. A couple of other things to remember when you're going through these. If you have events that happen at the same time, they're simultaneous, and so if you have a unified description of the time as it flows through a problem, events that are simultaneous will happen at the same time as you've defined your time variable. If you have multiple objects that are moving in a problem, in order to understand where they are with respect to each other, we have to describe them using the same coordinate system. So if one of them is near the origin and one of them is far away, you want to use the same origin for both of them, or else it will be very confusing to understand where they are.